Hi, this is Phil Devendorf. I'm doing this video to show an employee how to initiate the goal setting process for individual goals in ActionHRM. So what you see here is an ActionHRM screen. We may have more options here than you'll see on your screen. But and you have some flexibility on your screen, as you may already know, to change and put your menu to the side or leave it on top or change the colors or whatever. So this may look a little bit different than yours, but the functionality is all the same. So I'm going to go back to menu on top. The first thing you're going to do, setting goals is done via a workflow. So you're going to go up to the top to the launcher, click on the launcher, and select out of the list of workflows that are available to you. Again, this may look a little different than your specific system. You're going to select the review planning workflow. Once that comes up, it will have your name as the target employee, and you'll select the review template which you're going to use. It's important that you know which review template. Oftentimes they're set up by position, or they may be set up on a company-wide basis, but make sure you know which template you're supposed to use for your review. So I've selected a template. I click the forward button, and it's going to take us to a screen which allows us to add goals. So here you'll see, we'll click the plus sign. You'll have the opportunity to add a goal. So Gary here is a IT person, so we'll say develop a new application, and if we want, we can be more specific down here. You'll see you have formatting capability and those kind of things, so we might say you've got as much room as you want to put more detail in there. You could put target dates, you can do whatever you want. What type of goal? Generally it'll be a personal goal. Again, your list may look a little bit different there. And display order you might not bother with if you wanted to make sure this was listed on top and any subsequent goals. We're going to set two goals, so we'll call it a 50-50 split. You'll want to try to weight your goals to 100%. At this point it's not that important. And then you could add another goal, say and again you could be more specific down here, but I'm not gonna bother. Make this one a perfect personal goal as well. Make that 50%. And really that's about all there is to it. The next section is here in case you're doing multi-rater goals and you want to suggest other raters that should give feedback. Most organizations don't do that, so unless you've had specific instructions to nominate multi-raters, just skip by this next section. So I'll click next, and it gives you the opportunity to kind of review and see the two goals. It has also merged in the other things from that template that you're going to be reviewed on, so that you'll have something that you can refer back to. So in competencies we have some communication competencies, some values, and a review setup area that again you'll just take the defaults. So at this point you've reviewed it, you're comfortable with it, you'll click on the send for approval button. It'll come back and tell you if there was anything missing at that point that you can adjust, and with that you are done. Thanks very much.